Mentakasngi ka khandai trik rempang arhajar penru hakpor kumba pradunai lawan kit yo Dr. Ricky Eje Sungkon MP ke Lok Sabha naga Archlong Parliamentary Constituency syad Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital hadin bola kulon hakjing lekai kenjat bol hamoyong. Hadin bola poi syakane ke jaka sumar la klatno bat kane ke kubor kelas Sapriang State hak ba kipat ba dagi hajar kelas poi Robert Hospital man penpa wejing sulem hak ba bon na kilongmi kilayam pangdonut. Hagane kasngi presiden jang pi uba adan milar bersama ki MLA bagi MDC kelapoi mardor syakti hospital barkina kersyan dak susi tang halor kane ke jingjia ka basusi ke baklem poi perkhan ba kanwan kum kane ke jingjia. Nagaliang jong sarkar menteri rangba kejela konrad ke sangma ki sembut menteri rangba kejela uba presiden tensong ba sno bhalang dhar ki menteri sarkar ki MLA lepoi hospital man penpau ya jing songlem menteri rangba kejela ke sangma habakran hilat thai bor lapen pau ya jing susi ke bakrau namar tang artayo dang ya kendo hadalhi haying sa ajung u bat kidang ya kren ya ki kam nagamta kejela long ba lasai kasngi ka business advisory committee kan syong ban ya kren bat ban pensngeu ban na ka jing sneu jung u long ba haban pensange ya jing syong dorbar lasai kasngi wala ka dei kasngi bawan ra ya kamang tangka ya kane sarai ha ka BSc lasai kasngi sumbut menteri rangba kejela ba presiden tensong long ba ka BSc kan syong lasai kasngi bat ladai hi ban pensange ya jing syong dorbar bala dalong kin penlong ya jing snulem lasai kasngi haying dorbar.
This has been a very shocking moment for, I think, all the citizens of the state. I had met late Dr. Ricky Sinkhon about 2 weeks back in Delhi. I still remember the conversation we had. He had come to my residence and we had spoken about the different plans he had for the state, different institutes he wanted to bring up, different development schemes that he wanted to bring to Meghalaya. And for almost about 30 minutes to 45 minutes we discussed about the overall future of our state without going into politics. And that was the last meeting and conversation I had with Dr. Ricky Sinkhon. And right after that, about 2 weeks back, then today in the evening, while I was preparing for the budget, which I was supposed to be presenting tomorrow, I was preparing for the budget and I got the news that there was a small incident where late Dr. Ricky Sinkhon had collapsed while playing football. And I was not sure how serious the situation was, so I had called up all the officials concerned and said that kindly update me on how he's feeling and hopefully he's getting better. Only to learn later on that the situation was quite critical. And that's when I informed all the cabinet colleagues and all the officials that we must rush immediately. And it's a great loss for the state, great loss for the people, especially of Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, because we had a person in the form of late Dr. Ricky Sinkhon, who had been working with full commitment and passion for the people of the region and the state as a whole. I express my deepest condolences to the family of late Dr. Ricky Sinkhon. I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members as well as all His supporters, His party leaders, to bear the huge loss. And I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in peace.
Will there be any adjournment of the
We have
assembly?
discussed with the Deputy Chief Minister, Parliamentary Affairs. We will be having a meeting tomorrow with the BAC, headed by obviously the respected Speaker of the House, and the decision will be taken tomorrow. But I have communicated from my side to Honorable Deputy CM in charge Parliamentary Affairs that it would be appropriate for the government not to go ahead with the proceedings of the House tomorrow in respect of late Dr. Ricky Singh Khan. And even though tomorrow is the day we were supposed to present the budget, it would make absolute sense and respect to the departed soul if we were to postpone even the presentation of the budget.
Te kombala ong ECM nakaliang jong nga magwe nakaliang jong ka sorkari berkwe panakaliang jong ki leaders hapo ka jalam kala kalong kay kapapangud kabalong kendit hadu ka ya ka jing lat kensan no i Dr. Ricky Singh Khan WMP badon rong jong ka Shillong constituency dengan soba ia dan bentalang mentakabit nadu Chief Minister jongi pat mangi bro iba soba ki MLAs jongi paro ki MDCs ki dia dan lang paro ba ibu ya kini ke jingjia ki basnosi ki bangi ki beri umma ban diang tang hape jing penia utai pada jerong ku kamtip ba bat ngamet scam bakal gade ka plan ke jombu pada jerong de ipa ia ka jing skolem sya ki para jong iparo ki baying ba sem jong iba singkon paro bat ba ni krimen scam ni tuai bogle unai ka jing ja thai yau syakri jombu bat kumju unai ka jing tengen ya ki baying ba sem dia kabia day but ka session ka bingidon la syai kaski kumbai CM nila ni patay ka BSC kan syong la syai kaski but nakaliang jong ka sorga lang ba jong Chief Minister jongi ila pa ya ka jingsngo balak kumno la syai kaski ide ban adjuan ya kan ka house ko jongi la syai ken ya kata ngin sale la syai kaski hakaba ngi hapu ya kaban don ka abishwiri reference kajing ai burom khaddu ya uni unoyalam jong ke celam kala jongi bat ya kani nginsa pedip sepi la syai kasngi hadin ba ka BSC ka syong hapo ka office jong speaker badon burom jongi ni idaya pakat nginang pe ke e kala ide kan le kapum bangi jule komtang hapo ka jelam kala re hapo ka rindia berkoi tengin le